Hello everyone, this is Sinh from reviewsofsoftware.com. Welcome to my VideoDyno review. Right now I'm inside the member series of the VideoDyno. I will show you exactly what this software does and how to use this software and what you are getting on this software. Okay, so what is the VideoDyno? VideoDyno is a cloud-based video sale app that lets you quick create a high converting video sale script using AI for ads and video sale leader for any product in any niche by simply answer a few questions, then convert them to your video. So guys, I understand that when you when you plan to do a video, that takes a lot of time. You have to start from scratch to finish. That takes a lot of time. And basically, this software will help you to write a script from start to finish. Then they will voice over this the script to video. Then you make your video sale. Okay, so if you are tired to create a video, if you are a freelancer, or if you are a business agency, and this software you gonna need, okay, because that will save you a lot of time and save you a lot of money. If you don't know how to create it, you go to the freelancer website that a lot of people will charge you a lot. So this software will help you write a very good script and convert script to your product and your video sale. Okay, so let's see when the VideoDyno will do what VideoDyno will do for you. Okay, so first here, VideoDyno will create video sale script, create video sale leader, create video ads for Facebook, create video for your funnel, create local marketing video, create lead gen video, create video promote your service, create upsell video for your local business in niche of video. Commercial license include cloud-based app, nothing to install, and a type of product. Oh, this app will do a lot of things for you. Okay, so let's see the sale page. So this is the sale page. Let's see. You see here, this is the world first 3-in-1 video sale app. Write a flawless app video sale script. Create a video, bring in instant buyer to your funnel and website. Okay, basically this is the after how you write a script in any niche script. Okay, any niche script, but what I would like to show you in here is here. Okay, so VideoDyno is the graduate to increase yourself in any niche. Even you are a affiliate marketing, if you are the freelancer, if you are an e-commerce store on, if you are a product launch, you are a marketing agency, you are a elite builder, and local consultant, local business, and more, you're gonna need this software. Okay, so before we go to the folder on this software, I also put a lot of custom bonus I will give you to thank you buy this software to my link. So let's see what bonus I will have for you. But before that, click to the first link on the description on this video. It will take you to my bonus, and then you can click to the sale page. Okay, so let's click to the first link on the description, then it will take you to my bonus page like this. When you arrive to my bonus page, I break down everything you need to know about this software. And what you need to do here, you just click to the yellow button here, then it will take you to the sale page like this. Then okay, Yeah, this is the sale page. Yeah, this is the sale page. And when you go to here, click to the yellow button, it take you to the sale page. Next, you need to click to any button green here, and then you're good to go. Okay, so let's see what bonus I offer, I give for you to thank you to my link. So I have put a lot of custom bonus, really high quality to you to help you create a better business for you. Okay, let's see down here. So they have a lot of upsell, downsell here. I will talk a little bit later. So let's see the bonus right here. So here is the first bonus. I will show you do SEO, SEO keyword master. SEO, you really need any business need. So SEO here, I will show you how to find the honest and the profitable keyword for the right way. Okay. The second bonus here and YouTube authoring. So this the bonus I will show you how to start grow your succeed YouTube business. Okay, you know YouTube is the second largest search online. So if you have my bonus here, that's how you grow your business faster. Okay, so here I show you how to do video marketing. Any business need video marketing. So this I include in my bonus. That's why my bonus is really high quality. Okay. You can see other review people bonus, and you can say my bonus, and you can combine my bonus. If you like the other one, you can take, but if you like my one, you can take my one, because my bonus I take a lot of time to do, and here is really high quality bonus. I know that you're gonna help your business. Okay, and for bonus here, unbreakable link and more, you see YouTube channel SEO. YouTube channel SEO, you need this bonus, guys. If you do business, you need YouTube SEO. Okay, so and more, you see. But here and review blogging, if you don't know how to do a blogging blog, so this bonus I will show you how to create a blog, how to create a review blog. Okay, so a lot of people will charge you a lot of money to build a blog, but here I will show you for free. You choose the software to my link. Okay, the A bonus here, I have a new way to rank number one in less than 24 hours. Wow, this is the best bonus, guy. If you just started or if you are a business, you need this, because this will show you how to rank your any keyword number one on YouTube and Google less than 24 hours. Okay, and more. I have 13 high quality bonus right here. You can take, use the 13 right here bonus. So all the bonus I spend a lot of time to put on my bonus page. So I hope that will help you, and I know that gonna help your business. Help your business a lot. So okay, what you need to do, click to the full link on the description on this video. It will take you to my bonus page. Then you click to any yellow button here, and you go to the sale page like this. Okay, then you need to click to any yellow button here, and then you good to go. Okay, so right now let's go ahead to the software and see how to use this software. Okay, let's go.
Welcome to VideoDyno. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use VideoDyno's cloud technology to create lead capture video scripts, Facebook and Instagram video scripts, long form sales video scripts, YouTube ad video scripts, upsell video scripts, cross-sell video scripts, pre-launch video scripts, affiliate review video scripts, and convert all of them into video ads and video sales letter with a proper, beautifully rendered video that you can download and publish on your sales pages, on your funnels, on your websites, and start making money online. Now, the first step is when you log into copy.videodyno.com, you get to create video script page, and this is where you start creating your video script. Now, depending on what you want to create, you pick one of the options. Let's say for the demonstration purpose, we want to create a lead capture video script. So I'm going to click on that and click continue. I can pick from one of the pre-filled scripts that I've created already, or I could just select none, go to continue and give it a name. Let's say video reel, and click on continue. Now, creating a script, writing a script using the AI in VideoDyno is super easy. All you have to do is answer a few simple questions and it will create the script for you. For example, I'm just gonna type in some things here and click on continue. And then there are a couple more questions that I have to answer. I can answer all of these and click on write script, and the AI will take all the data that I've entered here and write a perfect script for me. The same way you can create a long form sales video script as well. You answer a few questions about your product, about yourself, about your audience that you're trying to target, and the AI will write a brand new high converting video sales script for you that you can convert into a video. Now for this demonstration purpose, I've already created a sample script that we're going to use to convert into a sales video. Now this is the script that the AI had created for me. Now what I want to do finally is convert this script into a video. So I'm going to click on the create video from script. And when I do that, it takes me to the video creation part. Now you will see all these scripts that are already here, and what I'm going to do is, this is the one that I've recently created. I click on edit and you will see that the script is already added to my timeline. All the slides have already been created and the text on all the slide has already been added. Now I can select the text, edit it the way I want. I can change the positioning. I can increase or decrease the font size to whatever I want. I can change the font color. I can add a background to the font. I can change the background from images to videos, or you can even upload one of my videos or images if I want on this slide. I can add a background music, or I can upload my own voiceover for this specific slide. I can use text to speech, so I can convert this "I'm glad to have you here," this sentence, into a US English or one of these different languages using one of the accents and convert that for this specific slide. And I can add a logo, I can add a watermark, I can position them wherever I want. I can add video frames from tons of different options for this specific slide. And for the entire video, I can add an intro video and an outro video, which could be a logo stringer, a logo animation, or a thank you video in the end, and whatever. And once you're done customizing the video, which has already been pretty much created for you or using our AI, once you're done doing that, what you can do is click on publish video, and it will start rendering the video for you that you can later download or share on Facebook and YouTube direct from our dashboard. So it's pretty easy to create high converting video sales letter, video ads using VideoDyno. You simply log into the dashboard, answer a fake question. The app creates the script for you, which is proven to convert, proven to get you higher video retention, proven to get you more sales, more engagement from your videos, and you never have to start from scratch. And that is the aim of VideoDyno. And once your script is created, you can quickly, effortlessly, and easily convert that video script into a decent, good-looking video that you can quickly publish and start running traffic, start making money. So this is what VideoDyno does. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our support desk. We'll be happy to help you. Cheers.
Alright guys, I hope this video helpful, and I know this software gonna help your business to save a lot of money and save a lot of time in your business. So this is my bonus. If you take the software to my link, I also include my 13 special and high quality bonus for you. So I know that bonus gonna help you business. Okay, if you choose this software, include my include my bonus, that's gonna help your business a lot faster and save more money. Okay, so I hope this video I can break down everything you need to know about this software, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you are still here, remember click to the first link on the description on this video. It will take you to my bonus page. Then you need to click to any yellow button here, and it will take you to the sale page right here. Then you need to click any green button here, and then you're good to go. You will include my high quality bonus, 13 high quality bonus. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope this video will help you a lot. So if you still stay here, click to the subscribe to my channel, and every time when I upload a video, you'll be the first one to get a notification and any product I review. Okay, so thank you so much. I will see you another video. Bye bye.